मैं इस समय व्यस्त हूँ। आई एम बिजी एट द मोमेंट। आई एम बिजी एट द मोमेंट। मैंने अभी इसे बनाया है। आई जस्ट मेड इट। आई जस्ट मेड इट। सब कैसे चल रहा है? हाउ आर थिंग्स गोइंग? हाउ आर थिंग्स गोइंग? मौसम कैसा है? व्हाट्स द वेदर लाइक? व्हाट्स द वेदर लाइक? इतना शोर मचाना बंद करो। स्टॉप मेकिंग सो मच नॉइज। स्टॉप मेकिंग सो मच नॉइज। यह उसके लिए ठीक है ना? इट्स ओके फॉर हिम, इज़न्ट इट? इट्स ओके फॉर हिम, इज़न्ट इट? तुम्हारी किस बारे में बोलने की इच्छा थी? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मुझे आज जल्दी निकलना है। I have to leave early today. I have to leave early today. शांत रहो, देर से आने के लिए क्षमा चाहती हूँ। Be calm, I apologize for being late. Be calm, I apologize for being late. मैं एक बार वहाँ गया था। I had been there once. I had been there once. मैं आपके विचारों से सहमत नहीं हो सकता। I cannot agree with your opinions. I cannot agree with your opinions. उसे इतनी आज़ादी मत दो। Don't give him this much freedom. Don't give him this much freedom. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो। You walk away from here. You walk away from here. मेरी बुराई ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil. बातों को घुमाओ मत। Don't play with the words. Don't play with the words. आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी। You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. आप इस वक्त कहाँ पर हो? Where are you at the moment? Where are you at the moment? उससे स्टेशन तक छोड़ दो। Drop him at the station. Drop him at the station. हम बहुत जल्दी आ गए हैं। We are too early. We are too early. आप ठीक समय पर आए हैं। You are just in time. You are just in time. तुम मुझसे पार नहीं पाओगे। You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. आप किस चीज़ से परेशान हैं? What are you upset about? What are you upset about? तुमने मेरा सिर नीचे कर दिया है। You have brought me to shame. You have brought me to shame. अंदाज़ा लगाना मुश्किल है। It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. तुम हमेशा सवाल पूछते रहते हो। You are always asking questions. You are always asking questions. मुझे लगा शायद आप भूल गए हो। I thought you might have forgotten. I thought you might have forgotten. मुझे तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना है। I have got something to show you. I have got something to show you. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो। थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक। थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक। उसकी किसी से नहीं पड़ती। He doesn't get along with anyone. He doesn't get along with anyone. हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते। We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए। Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. चाय को कप में डाल दो। Pour the tea into the cup. Pour the tea into the cup. मैं ठीक आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ। I am standing right in front of you. I am standing right in front of you. तुम बहुत देर बाद आए थे। You had come after a long. You had come after a long. उससे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from her. I didn't expect it from her. आज मुझे बहुत से काम करने हैं। I have to do lots of work today. I have to do lots of work today. कहीं जाना है क्या आपको? Do you want to go somewhere? Do you want to go somewhere? वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? थोड़ी देर में वापस आ जाऊंगा। I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while. मैं कल तक आने की कोशिश करूंगा। I will try to come by tomorrow. I will try to come by tomorrow. खाना ठंडा हो रहा है। Your food is getting cold. Your food is getting cold. चप्पल उल्टी पड़ी है। The sandal is upside down. The sandal is upside down. क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? क्या आप पहले कभी मिल चुके हो? Have you ever met before? Have you ever met before? वह अभी तक यहाँ नहीं पहुँची। She didn't reach here yet. She didn't reach here yet. जो मुझे कहना था मैंने कह दिया। I said what I had to. I said what I had to. क्या मैं आपके वॉशरूम यूज कर सकता हूँ? May I use your washroom? May I use your washroom? क्या तुम मुझे देखकर हैरान हो? Are you surprised to see me? Are you surprised to see me? क्या आप मेरे घर आएंगे? Will you come to my home? Will you come to my home? हाँ मैं अवश्य आऊँगा। Yes of course I will come. Yes of course I will come. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर यकीन नहीं है? Don't you believe me? Don't you believe me? मैं आपको कॉल करने ही वाला था। I was about to call you. I was about to call you. आज मेरा घूमने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like wandering today. I feel like wandering today. आप कौन सा पसंद करोगे? Which one would you prefer? Which one would you prefer? वह बहुत बुरा व्यवहार करता है। He behaved very rudely. He behaved very rudely. इससे अच्छा कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता। Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. आप सुबह से कहाँ थे? Where had you been since morning? Where had you been since morning? हमें कुछ करना होगा। We will have to do something. We will have to do something. आप फालतू में परेशान हैं। You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? मैं सोते समय खर्राटे नहीं लेता हूँ। I don't snore while sleeping. I don't snore while sleeping. मैं इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी लेता हूँ। I take full responsibility of it. I take full responsibility of it. मैं आपको ध्यानपूर्वक सुन रहा हूँ। I am listening you carefully. I am listening you carefully. उनकी अच्छी दोस्ती है। They have a strong bond in their friendship. They have a strong bond in their friendship. मेरे पास दिन भर करने के कुछ नहीं है। I have nothing to do all day. I have nothing to do all day. तुम अपने खाली समय में क्या करते हो? What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? मुझे लगता है मैं थोड़ा सा बोरिंग इंसान। I think I am little boring. I think I am little boring. उनका व्यक्तित्व बहुत बोरिंग है। His personality is very boring. His personality is very boring. मैं खाना खाकर आऊँगा। I will come after eating the food. I will come after eating the food. वह भाग भाग कर आ रहा है। He is coming by running. He is coming by running.